Now, Tegreen, and I'm moving kind of fast here because I'm talking about a lot of products, but I want to cover what I have here. So Tegreen, bear with me. I thought it would be fun to give you just a little bit of the science behind Tegreen and do it in a way that gives you a clear example of how we apply this 6S process to every single product, and Tegreen will be the example for the day. So Tegreen, we select only the highest quality green tea leaves. Now there's a lot of different leaves. You know, there's black tea, there's different kinds of teas. Green tea really is the most well studied. When you go to the scientific literature, even if you were to go to PubMed, you'll see that there's over 30,000 hits when you search green tea, because it's studied for so many different benefits in the body. And people have known this, you know, in China and in Eastern regions for a long time. And we're just starting to learn in the Western world how great, you know, green tea is for our health and our wellness and the antioxidants and the benefits that it provides and the cell protection. And so we only select hand-picked green tea leaves, and they're young leaves as well. When the green tea becomes too mature or too old, it actually loses the concentration of some of these active polyphenol antioxidants that it contains. Handpicked as well gives you an idea of how premium this green tea is. It's not just mowed up with some of the green tea and the leaves and the stems and other stuff that comes with it. This is a premium feel to only pick the highest quality green tea for every batch. Sourcing. Tea green actually comes primarily from the province of Zhejiang. I didn't pronounce that correctly, I know that, but yes, thank you. From there. So it comes from this region. And when you think about it, I know a lot of people are concerned about China and sourcing ingredients from China, but when it comes to green tea, this is a good example of where it really is the best quality stuff from around the world, right? Not all ingredients are the best quality there, but the green tea is, and that's one of the reasons why we actually get it from this region of the world. Specification. We have very strict specs that go into the raw ingredient and into the finished good. These are specs on things like heavy metals. Who wants a lot of mercury or lead or cadmium or other heavy metals? Who wants a lot of contaminants? Things like pesticides or other harsh bacteria, E. coli, Staphylococcus, Streptococcus. We have specifications on these things in addition to the finished good to make sure that the product is safe every single time. We also standardize every batch to 97% polyphenols. Now, if you think about this, this is actually incredible science because green tea has a lot of nutrients. When you think about all the different sugars or vitamins or compounds that are found naturally within the green tea plant, we really wanted to concentrate these antioxidants in it. And so 97% of what you get in every single capsule are polyphenols. That means that only 3% or less is actually other naturally occurring materials that are found in green tea. And so we really wanted to focus on these polyphenols and these catechins and EGCG because they're very powerful antioxidants inside the body. They provide some nice thermogenic effects, which helps with your metabolism. They also have some really powerful cell protection benefits. You think about the cells in your body. I mean, you have trillions of cells, and they're exposed to a number of different free radical hits on a regular basis. I mean, thousands and thousands and thousands of free radicals that are hitting every single one of your cells every single day. And these free radicals are a part of normal life, but in excess, right, from stress and anxiety and illness and infection, from poor diets, from a lack of sleep, from so many other causes, sometimes these free radicals can overwhelm the body. And they can cause what's called oxidative stress, which is another silent killer in the body that's really not good for aging well. And so we standardize to high levels of these antioxidants, which are really powerful scavengers of these different types of free radicals that we're exposed to on a daily basis. Safety. This is something that we believe in and we will continue to believe in because green tea is a great example where a lot of people believe that if something is good, then more is better. Well, more isn't always better, right? We have a safety limit that we recommend on green tea because we want to make sure that we're providing an effective dose based on the literature, but not too much to the point that it's going to be unsafe for our consumers. And so we've had a responsible limit of 1,200 milligrams of tea green plus other green tea supplements or green tea that you get in your diet. And we've had that limit on our product for a long, long, long time. Just because we want to make sure that we're providing safe and quality sources of green tea. So just the dose recommendation, in addition to the studies and the specifications that going into making sure that it's a very pure green tea plant. And then last but not least is substantiation. Hundreds, I should change that to thousands. Thousands of studies validating just the health, the antioxidant, the thermogenic, the other unique benefits that green tea provides. And so this is just a key example of an incredible product. And what I should mention here is that if you were to put tea green on a shelf next to thousands of other green tea supplements, because there's a lot of green tea supplements in the marketplace, why would someone pick ours? Right? Why not pick a cheaper product on the marketplace that has green tea? Maybe it makes the same claims that we do, right? That it has antioxidants, that it protects your cells, that it has a thermogenic effect or helps with your metabolism. Well, what's the real difference there? And the difference you can tell your consumers is this 6S quality process, right? Not every product has the same level of actives. Not every product has the same level of purity. And this is what you get. This is the difference demonstrated with Pharmanex. We don't just talk the talk, we actually walk the walk, right? We can demonstrate the difference in our products here. So Tegreen97, like I said, these benefits here: strong antioxidants, support cell protection from our DNA and other components, and then has a nice thermogenic effect as well. AI10, I'm moving